I thought it'd be fun to get this 4-pack transforming car and robot fidget toys set from Amazon.com. It was under $10 and it's a pretty cool toy to fidget with while taking a breather at U-Desk. It has a 4-in-1 transformable design. Each fidget spinner starts as a car and can transform into a robot or battle vehicle. They have multiple combo play modes. The cars can be connected end to end to form a train or stacked using top connectors for multiple spinners to spin simultaneously.